Now we are going to see about colors. Okay, without colors we can't say anything. For example, we have to say the colors of the things, then only we can identify the things. Okay, without colors. There is a proverb that broken crayons still colors. There is a proverb that broken crayons still colors. Okay, then we can go to the subject. Here colors. The first one is pila. Pila. The pronunciation is pila. The meaning is yellow. The meaning is yellow. Okay. Children fond of eating pila color cakes. Pila means yellow. Okay. बच्चे पीले कलर की फूल चाहते हैं. Okay. Children wants yellow color flowers. Yellow color flowers. Then the second one is gulabi. Okay, second one is gulabi. The pronunciation is gulabi. That is rose. That is rose. We all know that Nehruji's favorite flower is rose. Nehruji's favorite flower is rose. Nehruji always, okay, Nehruji always wears rose in her shirt. In Hindi we can say that Nehru चाचा. Okay, नेहरू चाचा हमेशा रोज अपने शर्ट में पहनते हैं. हमेशा, ऑलवेज, हमेशा अपने शर्ट में रोज गुलाबी, ओके, गुलाबी को पहनते हैं. Then for the third one is काला. Third one is काला. Okay, kala, pronunciation is kala. The meaning is black. The meaning is black. In the colors we can say black is a special color. Why? Okay, black is a special color. It makes us learn. How can I say? Can you remember? How can I say? Okay, in our generation we are having the blackboard in our classes. Okay, in our generation we are having blackboard in our class. So black is our favorite color. Black is our favorite colors which make us learn. Now in today younger generation, you are having the white color board, green color board. Okay, white color board, green color board, except the chalk piece we are using this pen. Okay, we are using this pen. Okay, in this pen also we are having many colors. Then okay, we can go the fourth one. Fourth one is narangi. Narangi means orange color. Narangi means orange color. Then the fifth one is neela. Pronunciation is neela, blue. हम हर रोज हमारी आकाश को देखते हैं. हर रोज आकाश को देखते हैं. वह नीला कलर दिखाती है. We can see the sky in the time of summer. We can see the time of summer. The sky will always blink as blue. Then the sixth one is bura. The pronunciation is bura. It is brown. The color is brown. Then the seventh one is lal. Okay, lal. Pronunciation is lal. The meaning is red. Hamari blood is red in color. Hamari kurud is red in color. Okay, we can say it as our blood is in red color. Then safed. Okay, safed means white. Okay, always we can see the ministers always wear white and white. Okay, white and white. We can see the chief minister, prime minister and etc. All people wear white only. Then ninth one is hara. Hara means green. Okay, in the पहाड़ के नीचे मैं हरा things हरा पेड़ को देखती हूँ. We can see in the mountains. We can see always. Okay, surrounding as green only. Okay, green only. The 10th one is Baingani. 10th one is Baingani. Baingani means violet. Baingani means violet. Okay, Baingan. Okay, Baingan. Baingan is a sabzi, you know. Baingan is a sabzi. Okay, brinjal. Brinjal. Okay, we can see brinjal in violet color. Then for the 11th one, Dusar. Dusar means grey color. Dusar means grey color. Okay, grey means in the age of 40 and 45, we can have grey color hair in our head. Okay, grey color hair in our head. Then the 12th one is Kesaria. 12th one is Kesaria. Kesaria means saffron. Kesaria means saffron, which is top of our national flag. We can see in the top of our national flag the saffron color. The saffron color. It is called as in Hindi as Kesaria. Okay. Is it clear? Let us learn about mathematical symbols. Okay. Mathematical symbols. Without mathematical symbols, we cannot add, subtract. Okay. Subtract, multiply and division, percentage. For these things, we have to know about the mathematical symbol. We all know about the mathematical symbols in English. Okay, in English we all know addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Now we have to learn about these symbols in Hindi. These symbols in Hindi. Okay, the first one is plus. Plus symbol is called as jod. Is called as jod. That is addition. Okay, that is addition. If we taking class in maths, we can say in Hindi, इन दो नंबरों को जोड़ो. इस दो नंबरों को जोड़ो, जवाब दो. दो नंबरों को जोड़ो, जवाब दो means add these two numbers and say the answer. Add these two numbers and say the answer. Likewise, we have to ask question. Or if we give some pieces, coins, okay, coins to the children, we can say them, add this and say how much rupees you are having. Okay, how much rupees you are having. हम बच्चों को पैसे देते के समय उनको पूछेंगे कि जोड़ो और जवाब दो, कितना पैसा तुम्हारे पास है. कितना पैसा तुम्हारे पास है. Then the second one is multiplication. Multiplication is called as guna. Multiplication is called as guna. Okay, guna means multiplication. Then multiplication, in multiplying these for दो and तीन को गुना के बताओ क्या आती है. क्या आती है. Multiply 2 and 3, say the answer. Multiply 2 and 3, say the answer. Then the third one is minus. We call it as baki. We call it as baki. Baki means subtraction. Baki means subtraction. If we give some pieces to the children and tell them to buy some things. Tell them to buy some turmeric powder, etc., etc., for the purpose of preparing food. Okay, preparing food, we can ask. Then we can ask them, what is the remaining money. What is the remaining money. In Hindi we can call it as baki. बाकी पैसे तुम्हारे पास कितने हैं. बाकी पैसे तुम्हारे पास कितने हैं. Then the fourth one is bag. Bag means, bag is called as division. Bag is called as division, divide. Okay, divide, bago. Okay, मिठाई को bago, bando. Okay, bando. Bando means divide. Divide the things and give it to all the children. Then that is the fifth one. Fifth one is percentage. Percentage we are having two names, Fisadi, okay, Fisadi and Pradishat. Mostly common used is Pradishat, okay, in discount, okay, while purchasing the dresses in the shops, we can ask them what is the discount percentage, इसे हम कहते हैं as प्रतिशत mean इस साड़ी की क्या प्रतिशत है means what is the percentage of discount for this saree, what is the percentage of discount for this saree. Pradishat means percentage. Then the last one is 1/10. 1/10 is dasams. Dasamams means decimal form. We can see here 0.001. Okay, this is called as decimal number. It is in Hindi we can call it as dasams. Okay, we can call it as dasams. Dasams means decimal numbers. Okay, all you know how we have to write and what is the name for mathematical symbols. Okay.